Hi, in last video we have seen like how we can reverse the list with the help of the slice operator and without slice operator, and we have also seen how we can find the mean and max element in the list. And in this particular video we are going to see how we can write a program to remove the duplicate from the list. So for example, I have this list and I want to remove the duplicates from this list. Let me modify this one, comma 8. So this is my list and I have to remove the duplicate from this particular list. I know I have not covered the set data type, but in set we have one functionality like set not going to store the duplicate value. So the smallest or easiest way to solve this particular problem, you can simply convert your list into this set. So by automatically it will remove all the duplicates and you will get unique element. So this is the one of the way, but as I told you, I have not covered that topic, so I'm not going to use that concept. I will remove the duplicate from the list without converting into the set. So let's see how we can remove the duplicate from the list. But before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so let's start. So basically this is, I have one list and I want to remove the duplicate. So how you can do, you can take one more variable or one more list. For example, I'm taking L only, one empty list, and what I'm doing, for each element in the list, if that element not in list, newly list, which is my empty list, what I want to do, I want to append that element in that newly list, which is L. So L dot append, what I want to do, I want to append that element. That's it, that much easy this one. Then simply what you have to do, print that new list, which is L. Let me run. See, if you see this one, there is no any duplicate. See, here I have written 2 times 1, 8 2 times, but here if you see, there is only 1 time. So this is the most easiest way, we can say, like how we can remove the duplicate from the list. But as I told you, there is a one more way. Let me show you that one also, so you will get clear idea. Yeah, s equals to set is the keyword, and here you need to specify the sequence name or list name. Then at last simply you have to print s. Let me run. See, but here one thing you can observe, the order of the element is changed. That is a one, you can say that is a one a drawback, or you can say that is a one bad thing about the set. In the set, the order is not going to be preserved, because if you remember, I have told in the definition or the property of the list, the order should be preserved in the list, but in the set, that is a problem, the order should not preserve. Like initially we have entered the 100, but here it's showing 65. Let me again run one more time. See, the order is not going to be preserved. So this is second way how you can remove the duplicate from the list. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.